Okay. So good evening or good afternoon, and I am your cooking expert today, Nimarta. Okay, and we will be making a Independence Day sandwich, special Independence Day sandwich today. All right. Okay. So, what all do we need? What do we need main basic for the sandwich? If we have all other things and if we don't have bread, how will we make sandwich? Isn't it? So first, what we need is bread. Bread. I'll be taking 4 slices of bread and I'm taking brown bread. You can take any bread. You can take white bread. You can take atta bread or you can take brown bread. All right. So first what we'll do is, I have my knife with me. I'll just remove the sides. I'll just remove the sides, okay? These edges. Okay, so now let's take our butter. The butter has to be little soft so that we can spread it easily. So this is my butter. Okay, I'm taking little and I'm spreading on the slice. Okay, so let's keep our butter on one side. Okay, so now what we'll do is, we'll take our sauces. All right. Cover it. Put little butter, spread little butter on this. Spread little butter on this. Yeah, little butter on this. Again, especially on the edges, because the bread gets dry on the edges. So let's spread little butter on the edges. All right. Now on this, we are going to add mayonnaise. We have mayonnaise with us. Done, mayonnaise done, salt done, pepper done, great. So now let's put another slice. Now let's take our ketchup or the chutney or the sweet chutney. Let's take it. Let's spread on this. Now on this, we are going to put a grated carrot. So we've spread our carrot. So now this one was our last slice. All right. So we will cover it like this and give it a slight press with your hand. And we will slice it into triangles. Okay. So let's slice it into triangles. All right. So now our sandwich looks something like this. So we can just remove the extra what is coming out and just smoothen it out with a knife, with your butter knife. Just smoothen it out. Done? Awesome. Great. So let's make your sandwiches stand like this if they can. If they can. Okay. If they can. So let's do little plating. See, I made a small flag here with carrot, with little mayonnaise and little green chutney. Yes? Is it looking pretty? Is it looking nice? So we'll make the sandwich again for Mama, Papa. Will we? Yes? Okay. Bye-bye. See you.